Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello to World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or take or insert home icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we have to open a Microsoft Word file of which I have opened it before. So here the insert option we will get icons. So in icons in below sections we will get it the home icon. So click here. Here have lots of home icons are presenting here. So click multiple things, we will get multiple home icons. So then we have to must click it the inserted option. So click insert. So here we will get the lots of multiple home icons. We delete it right now because of we will work lots of things, design or redesign set this thing. So in this we can increase or decrease these things. We can also do these things with text wrapping. So click here. Now we will do lots of things. Also we can write something this, and we can also the wrapping these things. See, we can cover up this. So now we will do the graphics things. How it will work? First of all, we have to mark or select this icon. So click here, then graphics formats, click, then this is colors which I have been used it before. So click. Now we can take the more fill colors. So first of all, customize. How customize? See, the new color has been changed. Before that means the current color has this and the new color is this. So okay, see, the color has been changed. So in this we can change or the standard. See, standard how if we take current is this color and this color is same. So now we will take this color. See, this color, then we have to press this. See, the color has been changed. Also this is the customized color. See, we can change in this way. Now we will do the graphics outline. So how? This is the graphics outline means we the whole picture or whole icons has been bordered or outline is filled with any kinds of color. See, lots of color. If we want to give the dashes, so it is the dashes and is work. The plain outlines. See, it is the plain outlines are bordered. Now we will do the graphics effects. So how? See, in this way the effects option has been changed. Also 3D rotation. See, the 3D rotation it can change. Bevel, it also changes. Soft edge. See, the soft edge glow. See, the glow. So in this we can customize or we can do different work. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.